Hello everyone. In this video I will teach you step by step how you can merge two PDF files from your laptop or mobile. From your laptop, first open Chrome or any other browser and type I love PDF merge PDF files in there. Multiple websites will appear in front of you. Some of them are paid while some are for free. So why pay when you can get the same thing for free? On this page, the first one called ilovepdf.com is for free. So let's tap on that. Now you can see there is a red box with select PDF file written on it. We will click on it and select the PDF file we want to merge. Let's choose this one. Now we need to choose another file that we want to merge with it. So tap on this plus sign and choose the second file. This way you can choose as many files as you want. The files have been attached. Now click on Merge PDF. The PDF files are being merged. This can sometimes take a second. Now here we have it saying that we can download our merged PDF. So we will click on it, wait for a few seconds, and the PDF file will appear in the downloads of our laptop. Here you can see that the file has been converted. You can also check the document from the download section of your laptop. Here you can see that the files have been merged. Till here it is the first file. And from here starts the second one. Hope you liked our video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.